ayeye ubuhle bebhoso ngabalandeli bayo. Namhla silandela all the way to Mondorongezi ngoba ibhoso idlala lengezi. So sifuna ukutshengisa ukuthi kuchona kuba ngumlandeli weHighlanders. Sizabe silitshengisa konke okumnandi. Hopefully i-team yethu izawina, i-team yezwe lonke. Right isiphethe uSasha Makoni lapha. Akusitshaye ngeprediction yakho nto.
Sanibona njani nami ngokobulawayo eNtumbane. So mina ngaba sakhuluma ngendaba zebhola la. Ebhoso yezibhoso yachaya 2-0.
Okay.
Bere bhoso ngekho Bulawayo.
Siyabonga.
Kona Highlanders lapha kuba ngamacoach. Ibhoso 2-0.
Ibhoso 2-0.
Ngoba nginyaka responsible.
Okay.
Sonke lamacoach akhona.
Lamacoach akhona.
Ngoribhoso beyachana ke. Ngiyaphiya futhi yachaya futhi.
Siyabonga Sasha. Have a great mdala. Sethemba ukuthi i-team yezwe lonke izawina. My prediction ukuthi sizawina 2-0. Ayeye asambe. Ayeye asesithela ifuel lapha bese sithelwe ifuel. We are feeling it full tank baba. We are feeling a full tank sesihamba so bese ifuqa sesidiniwe mbijana phansi kuyisweet. No.
Zemigwaqo konke babokungenzakala okungabe kuthunywe intando kaSathane konke lokho siyakunqoba. Thumela ingilosi yakho baba uNkulunkulu ephethe inkemba ezithisika ngazombili ukwenzela ukuthi ilwe ima kungabe kukhona okungabe kufisa ukubana kusilimaze ezindleleni ngoJesu wachitha igazi esipermanence yapheleka. Amen.
Temba la miguwe kukudela kukhona ludelo luhamba ziningi indaba zingisithela wena baningi bayathetha bafuna ngahle ithemba anginandaba mina ngisifunela wena anginandaba mina ngisifunela wena anginandaba mina ngizifunela wena.
Iposo mtaka mama sesisegweru kathesi on our way to Mondorongezi. Namhla kudlala iposo lengezi. I-prediction yami once again still stands 2-0. Siyabonga. Okay, my brother, how are you?
I'm fine, how are you?
Are you good? Are you great?
I'm great.
All right, okay. What's your prediction?
My prediction today is a draw.
Draw?
Yes.
How many?
1-1. There's no more goals from Ngezi. 1 goal from Highlanders.
Okay.
Yes.
Right now, Ngezi is leading, right?
Yes.
Okay, so you are saying Highlanders is going to score and equalize?
An equalizer.
All right.
From that proud man, the defender, you see.
It's okay. Right, Iposo, yes, you're very namhlanje.
Hayi boss yawina uthi offside vele ku offside kuma offside uref ukwenza ifavor.
Iposo wina ngaki?
Iboss wina 10 be4.
Mtaka baba. Hayi Iposo wina ngaki?
I2 kwa 1.
2-1. Iposo 2 Ngezi 1. Akunjalo ukuthi kwena kuzawina lapha Ngezi kumbe Iposo.
Uyabona uthi ngingakathi ukuthi ozawina mbani namhla ongasoze wine mbani.
Right.
Kodwa ngicoqala ngikutshele mina ngokuthi ngesifiso sami vele okufiswa yini. Mina iBhoso ngiyabe ngifisa ukuthi ichaye nje 2 okunye loba ungasala kule 0. Hayi akusonkinga yami le. Akusonkinga yethu le.
Right, Ingezi sikhangelela ukuthi siyayichaya kutsho mina amakhosi weBhoso from Khwekhwe 2-1 yafa.
Eyami prediction ngicabangela ukuthi singawina maybe 3-1.
Mkuru wangu murise.
Ewa direct mkuru wangu mina uthi mziliseyo.
Yeah, iso suthi boys stova kwabulawa ekwantutu ziyathunqa kumfazi uthaya indoda. Can you do that after me?
It's tough, it's good.
Ndoda kuti undiphe scoreline yakho urufunga kuti match ino pera ngeyiphi team iri?
This is 2-0.
Highlanders chienda ne2 kana kuti Ngezi chienda ne2.
Ngezi chienda ne2 still.
Ai iribo.
Imimuri Mungezi. So how do you feel about the results of the match?
It's a fair result.
It's a fair result. You are happy?
I'm very happy.
Okay, just a commentary on the match. If you can tell our viewers.
We missed a lot of chances, but the game was tough, so it's a fair result.
Baningi bayathenga, bafuna ngazithenga, anginandaba mina ngizifunela
asizondanga sihappy team ngeyethu abasebenzi lawa but inhliziyo yami ixeshe yafa but it's fine.
Siyabonga i-last minute attempt lana ibingcono bekumele beyihlohle nje
besithi sinqaba babekwazi ukuthi bashona nansi
vele bekuzile ukuthi i-team le idlale thina singekho bekungayenzi lapha likhuluma lo Mindlozi all the way from Botswana lo sisi wami lapha umama uMarizana wonke umuntu yamathi oqalisa uhambele iSlanders besahamba ngesitimela belala esitimeleni bebuye ekuseni bebukele iSlanders kodwa ukuthi idalamo bekuyele futhi esitimeleni anamhla sihappy kakhulu ngoba ingezi siyenzeni siphose sayithi tha kwasala mpijana but sibakhuthe mpijana but i-1-1 isharp away result lokho simnandi
angifuna umnyela ithemba lami angifuna umnyela ithemba lami kukude lapho khona lude loluhamba ziningi indaba zingisithela wena baningi bayathetha bafuna ngilahle ithemba anginandaba mina ngisifunela wena ithemba anginandaba mina ngisifunela wena ithemba anginandaba mina
Abantwana